In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Peak in just a few seconds. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you a method where you can try the game for free as well. So this is very easy and it will let you play online with friends. This is a training game, it's very fun and I highly recommend it. So to do it, you need to go to Steam, then you need to search for Peak right here because it might not appear right here like you're watching right now. So go to Peak, then scroll down and add it to your cart. You will see the option there is currently an offer. So if you add it, you need to view your cart, then go to continue to payment. You can pay it with your Steam wallet balance, or you can enter your credit card information. You can also use PayPal and a lot of other payment methods. Then purchase, and this will only take a few seconds to confirm. Now you can install the content, choose your preferred hard drive. In my case it will be this one, install, and now you should only need to wait a few minutes or seconds depending on your internet speed. So that's the way you can get Peak, but you can actually get a refund for the game if you have played for less than 2 hours. This means that you can actually test the game completely for free and then ask for a refund. So if you want to get this refund, you need to go to your profile, then account details, then view purchase history, and you will see the purchase. You just need to click it. I will then select the option to get a refund, and I would like to request a refund. So after a few hours, you will get all the money back on your credit card or your bank or your Steam wallet balance. As you can see, I have done this a lot of different times, and you will always get a refund if you have played for less than 2 hours. This is perfect if you want to try and test the games, and then if you don't like it or you don't want to play it anymore, you can just ask for a refund. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.